Our 4-section cocktail combination station. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 78 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Measurements apply for the depth and height for each of the individual sections. With the ice bin and bottles holder, we have a length of 30 inches, the sink 12 inches, the recessed underbar with drain board 23.5 inches. With the cups, bottles, and mugs holder, we have 12 inches. Coming to the left is the ice bin and bottles holder, and on top, dual slide doors. 2 buckets will be included, with each bucket measuring 5.5 inches in length, 16 inches in depth, and 5 inches in height. Measurements apply for the second bucket as well. Interior ice bin dimensions, we have 27.5 inches, 14.5 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Measurements for the bottom section to place your bottles. We have 30 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, by 6 inches in height. Measurements for the sink. We have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, 7 inches in height. Measurements apply for the interior sink, and included will be the faucet with the spout measuring 6 inches in length, and the left and right mounts measuring 4 inches. Also included will be the sink strainer. Coming to the front of the sink will be for your paper towels. Towels will be placed in this compartment and feeding through from the top. For the recessed drain board, measurements will include 21 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, by 10.5 inches in height. 10.5 inches is from the drain board to the top of the splash guard. Drain board can be removed for cleaning, and the main drain located beneath the compartment. Last section will be the 4-tier cups and bottles and mugs holder. Each section will measure 12 inches in length, 5.25 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 steps, the lowest being the front and the highest towards the back. NSF stickers located on each of the different sections, and this combination station is a build your own, so each station can be removed and interchanged. This applies to the other cocktail combination stations that we sell through the website. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.